So it all started with this picture. Back in 2012, I had to have her. It's an Oscar Mike edition, JKU. And the cool thing about this model is when you purchase it, they actually donate money to soldiers' families. You can see that the theme is the star, the military star. Later in the video, you'll see also that I have matching doors with the star emblem on them. It's pretty cool. And this is the last upgrade I've done, which are the lights. She's been a great Jeep and a great vehicle. Never had really any issues with her. Normal things broke down. We've seen sunrises together, and if you think about this, she's been around the world the equivalent of 6 times with the mileage that she has on it. We've been to the beach, and we've been all over the place, all over Washington State. This is probably the most fun I've had on the beach, just driving her around. She's been in the snow. She does great in the snow. She's been to rainforests. This is a picture of the whole rainforest. Here's a picture of the Cascade Mountains. Another picture of the mountains. Picture of the doors. And camouflaged. I love this shot. It's a drone picture over the bridge on the way to Mount St. Helens. I get a lot of questions about me driving and flying a drone at the same time, but it actually has a follow mode where it just basically followed the Jeep and I could worry about driving. This was shot really early in the morning and there was nobody around, so I was able to stop on the bridge. Pretty cool shot. Here's where we're driving to Mount Rainier and at the mall. Wait, no, that's some four-wheeling. Now, I'm not a hardcore four-wheel junkie, but she's had her fair share of traveling off-road. She does great. I've never gotten stuck, never had to have anybody pull me out or anything like that. It's been a lot of fun, both on-road and off-road. This is on the way to Silver Star Mountain. A lot of the cars had to park at the bottom, but she actually went up. And here's the magic moment. 150,000 miles. Never a breakdown. Looking forward to more trips.